What's the meaning of Brer Rabbit? Brer Rabbit. Brer Rabbit.
Brer Rabbit. Brer Rabbit. Brer Rabbit is a fictional character in African American folktales and stories, originating from the oral traditions of slaves in the southern United States. Brer Rabbit is known for his cleverness and resourcefulness in outsmarting larger animals who try to harm him or take advantage of him, often using his wit and quick thinking to turn the tables on his adversaries. Brer Rabbit has become a symbol of resistance and resilience in African American culture, representing the ability to survive and thrive in the face of adversity. His stories continue to be told and passed down through generations to this day.